In this video, I am going to show how to download and install VirtualBox on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL virtualbox.org. Then click on the download link. Okay, now select the platform Windows host and download VirtualBox installer for Windows operating system. And also download the VirtualBox extension pack. Click on the accept and download button. It may take a while for downloading VirtualBox and VirtualBox extension pack. After a successful download, go into the downloads folder and open VirtualBox installer first. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Click on the next button and also accept the terms of the license agreement and then click on next, click on next, click on yes, click on next. The setup wizard is ready to begin installation. Click on install button. It may take a while for installing VirtualBox on Windows operating system. That's it. Oracle VirtualBox installed successfully. If you want to start Oracle VirtualBox right now, check this box and then click on finish. Now I am going to install Oracle VirtualBox extension pack. Click on this extension tab, click on the install button, then browse the Oracle VirtualBox extension pack, select and open this extension. Now click on install button to install this extension pack. Scroll down and accept. Scroll down and click on the I agree button. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.